Right, so Max Weinbach's given us a bunch of information regarding AirPods 3, and so let's delve into it. But first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. And with that being said, let's just tuck in. So Max Weinbach is a pretty credible source, so no salt is needed for this report. Anyways, delving in, the first thing that Max kinda says is that AirPods 3 are releasing at the September event. Now, I do want to say that Max does not explicitly mention this anywhere, but since he delves into these AirPods 3 rumors under a thread about the Apple event, I'm assuming that every product he's talking about are products we're going to see at the September event in just a few days. And so yes, this is fantastic news, and to be honest, it does make sense because much like the Apple Watch, AirPods are a key accessory to the iPhone, and so it just makes sense that Apple releases the iPhone's key accessories alongside the new iPhone. Anyways, moving on to the technical details, apparently the charging case could have a 20% increase in terms of battery capacity over AirPods 2. Now this is a pretty major improvement, and it's kind of surprising Apple can even give us a larger battery with AirPods 3 because the case itself is going to be smaller than both AirPods 2 and AirPods Pro, so I'm not sure how Apple's managing to give us a bigger battery while making the case smaller. That's some kind of voodoo magic, but either way, I am very glad we're getting a major battery boost. Now do remember, AirPods 2 gives you 24 hours of listening time with the charging case, and so expect maybe 30 hours of listening time with the new case, which is a sizable increase. The good news continues because Max says we should see wireless charging as standard with AirPods 3, which is great news because right now Apple's kinda ripping you off and forces you to pay $40 more for a wireless charging case, and so yes, I'm glad it's finally standard. The only thing I'm wondering right now is whether Apple keeps a price at $159, or of course they push it to $200 since wireless charging is now standard. Personally, of course, I'm hoping AirPods 3 stay at $159 and gives us wireless charging at that price point, and thankfully other sources are also suggesting the same. Now moving on to the sound quality with AirPods 3, there could be improvements in the bass and the low end, but for the most part, sound quality should be similar to the current generation AirPods. Now this is not a massive issue because I think the current AirPods sound absolutely fine, they're clearly not made for audiophiles, and so I think most average consumers are happy with the way AirPods sound. Now the batteries inside the AirPods themselves are going to be the same size as the ones found on AirPods Pro. Now this is most likely a logistics move. I'm assuming it's cheaper for Apple to share the same components with the regular AirPods and AirPods Pro, so that was definitely the driving force behind this move in my opinion. Though of course, since AirPods 3 don't have ANC, expect the battery life for the buds to be slightly better than AirPods Pro. Anyways, those are all the new tidbits, but tell me in the comments below which improvement with AirPods 3 are you looking forward to seeing. Anyways, thank you for watching guys, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. Check out the video in the icon above on details regarding the iPad 9, and on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya peeps!